Hey, this is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And this is...
The chocolate break.
Yes.
Yes.
All right, well, the train keeps a-rolling on with the chocolate break. You know, it's become an international thing.
Yeah.
People from other countries have seen this.
Have they?
Maybe once or twice. I don't know right now. So the chocolate break, just to let you know, you're seeing this on the chocolate break channel on YouTube, or you're seeing it on Facebook. I don't care where you're watching it, and we respect you for that. Now, I think right now I'm subscribed to it with the Ramen Raider one and with my personal one. So there's 2 subscribers. Have you subscribed? Yeah, so
I don't know.
I don't know. Do you subscribe to what we're doing?
Yeah, but I don't even know if I know how to subscribe.
Fair enough. I'll walk you through it. So there's a button that says subscribe. Click it. And then there's a little bell. Click that too. And enjoy everything we do. Tell all your friends.
Tell them to subscribe. Maybe even though I don't know how to.
So what you do is you take your friend's phone. You say, can I check your phone out? There's this virus on everybody's phone, and I know how to get rid of it. Take their phone, go to the chocolate break, subscribe for them. Do that for them. Send text messages and tweets and things. Friends, family, loved ones, enemies, everybody. Because soon, the chocolate break will be making a huge, huge announcement. Actually, I'll make it right now on this episode. I am going to be running for the office of president in the election of 2024. And we will win.
We? I'm not running.
No, you don't have to. I'm running.
And you're dragging me along with you.
That's right. And
Great.
The children as well. It'll be fun.
I think I'm gonna need more of the kind of chocolate we're having tonight.
Yeah, let's have that. We'll have chocolate like this all the time because presidents get to do that while they're presidenting.
Yeah.
Would you like to show our lovely studio audience that's not even anybody here other than the dog and the kids are asleep? There we go. Look at that. Boo! Look at that, bitches. Wow.
Liquor-filled chocolates.
Liqueur.
Liquor.
Yeah, boozy chocolate, yo. From Canada, by VSC Chocolates, a name you know now.
I'll be honest, I'm a little worried about these.
I've never had them. I remember when I was a kid, I saw them at the Hallmark shop, actually.
Really? I knew they existed, but I don't know if I've ever really seen them.
We only have 32 of them, so...
Yeah. And we're going to have to finish them all
tonight.
4 delightful choices.
Tequila, liqueur, whiskey, and Remy Martin. Which is
Remy
what?
Martin.
Oh, I really don't know. I've never had that.
That says a lot about how much we drink in this house.
Oh, I used to do...
You didn't.
I used to go with, like, what do you call it? Western American whiskey and like off-brand cola.
Wow.
Hey, whatever works, you know? You're gonna need the money in the morning to, like, you know, go to 7-Eleven and get a hot dog.
God.
Yeah.
Too much in my Western whiskey.
And Western American. And there's Western American and Western... Wow, look at that thing. They look like weapons.
They're like bullets.
Little tiny bullets of chocolate. Wouldn't that be rad? Oh.
You requested tequila's your favorite.
You want to do that first?
No, you requested we do the tequila first, remember?
Oh, okay.
Because you don't like tequila.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Can I just kind of leave this over here because I don't want to drop them
Yeah, that's understandable. I wouldn't want to as well. Well,
I don't know.
So you do not cut these. You basically unwrap. I guess
They're heavy.
They're full of liquid.
They're really full of liquid?
Yes. Do I need to prove it to you?
Maybe.
Allow
What do
me
you do?
to-
You just like bite the top off and...
No, you eat the whole thing.
Oh, it's all...
Yeah, it's probably because it's leaking.
It's leaking liquor. Oh,
Yeah, see on the bottom. I think that's how they fill it. They probably have the mold like this, and then they have a little thing that goes, and then it goes pop. So see, looks like a little thing. Shall I do a demonstration bite?
I guess so.
Okay, watch.
Like, I'm just scared. Oh my god.
There you go. That's what you get. That's what you get.
Is it horrible?
Cheers. That's pretty good.
I still think they should make some really expensive ones. And maybe they do.
They do.
Do they?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Oh, I guarantee somebody's making your Patron.
That would be delightful. Wow.
Trippy, huh?
That's like, for me anyway, that's like a decent amount of liquor.
If you want to get a bad hangover, eat all this. Huh? Yeah?
I don't drink. Wow. I feel like
I like that.
I was cold, and maybe by the time we eat the next 3, I'll be nice and toasty warm.
You will.
Wow, yuck.
No, oh, score.
Ugh, I'm so far not a fan of the chocolate and the liquor. I think maybe it should be separate. Like if you were just to maybe give me a little bit of, I don't know,
You can bite the
tequila.
bottom off and then taste the chocolate, and then you can just like go. Because it's kind of like a boozy sauce in a way inside.
Well, not for me.
0.
Yeah.
I'd give that last one. I'd give it a 4. I like that.
Really?
Yeah, that was hella good.
Let's go with the. Let's go with the bourbon.
For all my friends in Kentucky.
All of your friends or your friend?
My 2 friends in Kentucky. I have 2 friends in Kentucky.
Look at you.
One who owes me squirrel tails, remember?
Oh, he's in Kentucky?
Yeah.
Fascinated by that.
I think it's kind of funny that I've made friends in Kentucky. It's like, I've never even thought of Kentucky.
You should go to Kentucky.
We should. That'd be cool.
What's in Kentucky?
That's where the computer keyboard came from. I don't know. I've asked them, so what's Kentucky like? And then they like start rattling on about Kentucky, and it sounds like it's actually kind of a neat place. It sounds very different than the Northwest.
Well, let me see. How many states have you lived in?
3.
For real?
We spent time in California, and I've spent time in Georgia.
There. That was not a permanent residence.
No, but I rested my head there. Jim Beam.
Jim Beam. Oh, that's worse than the freaking tequila. My nose is running.
From what? Don't spill it.
I'm gonna spill it. I'm gonna spill it.
Think of the children.
Okay. Think of the children. That makes me want to drink it. No. Holy cow. That's foul. I do not like bourbon.
I'll give that one a 4 too. Score?
I'm not even freaking done chewing it. I can't think.
Wow. It's nice. It's got a nice sweetness. It's got the little alcohol, very mellow. Very mellow.
I don't drink. I've never.
It's like me sitting here and like keeping a straight face and eating like the second hottest instant noodle in the world, and her having like something that's a little bit spicy and going, ah! Kind of the same deal.
I can't drive.
No, you can't, and neither can I.
Yeah, but that's a good thing.
Yeah, I can't see so well.
Yuck. I
So
don't
is that
like
you
it.
giving that a 5?
No, that's a 0. It's disgusting.
And the last one was a 0?
Yeah.
Well,
I'm just not.
how about the Remy? Because the Cointreau is orange liqueur. You might like that one a little bit better. Oranges and chocolate. I don't know. Is the Remy?
I don't know what. Let me see. Max alcohol 5%. Very special.
Oh, is it Remy Martin VSOP?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah. So this is like XO sauce.
Oh no, wait. Oh no, this is fine champagne cognac. Ooh la la.
Oh, cognac. So this is like Hennessy.
I can do champagne.
This is like Hennessy.
I don't know if I've ever had.
No. I'm sorry. It's not champagne.
I wish it was champagne.
No. This is champagne cognac. Cognac is like a step above brandy.
I don't even really know that I've ever had brandy.
Oh, I've drank brandy. I'll tell you one thing. That's an interesting. Stop! I gotta clean all this crap up yet.
It's stuck to my
Drunk.
fingers.
You're soused.
Not yet. It will be after I drink this one and one more, though. Well, they're not easy to open.
Yeah, give them that.
So that's on automatic. Man.
And they're sticky, so the little bit of wrapper sticks to you. But I think that's so it doesn't like leak all everywhere. Oh, it's bleeding. Mine's bleeding.
Stop the bleeding. Stop the bleeding.
Come on.
You sound like Mimi.
Let me get it.
Mine didn't come off very easy on that part either.
For God's sake.
You're crying out loud.
Yeah, I'm thinking of speaking in French very shortly.
You got it.
I got it. All right. You ready for cognac? This is what all the cool kids do, sweetie.
I was never one of those cool kids. I'm very sorry.
Well, it's time to start. I love you. Imbibe. Yeah, that's cognac. Just finish it, trust me.
You like that?
I love that. That'll warm me up.
I like that one better than the other two.
I'm giving that one a 5.5.
2.
2. That one's not so bad. I'll give it a 2.
I said it's not as bad as the other ones.
And on to the final, the cointreau. One left. You can do it.
Start getting the spins. I get nice and toasty off of less
Cointreau.
than an airplane bottle, sweetie.
Oh, we haven't even come close to having a half of an airplane bottle.
And that's fine. And that's probably way, way more than I've had in a long, long time.
Yeah. Well, you had that like flirtation with wine.
I had like a glass of wine.
You got like a bottle or two of wine.
I got
and it just
a
sat
bottle
in
of
the fridge.
wine.
Maybe I'll try drinking.
I had a glass of wine.
I'm kind of bored. Maybe we should see what happens if I drink. Nothing. She didn't drink.
I tried. I really tried.
You're a bad alcoholic. Let me
Horrible,
tell you.
horrible alcoholic.
You got to put in your time. You got to do the Busch Light Tall Boys. You got to do
I don't like beer.
the Night Train, and you got to do the Thunderbird, and you got to do the Mickeys. Yeah.
Night Train?
Oh yeah.
Oh, alright. Well, I feel like
I used to hang out with my homie. We'd drive down the street in his like horrible brown Porsche, like cheesy 70s Porsche, and had like surgical tubing that went into the back seat, and we had to each our own bottle of Night Train, and we were just like drinking Night Train going down the road. This was like, God, like 25 years ago. Maybe not that. Well, yeah.
I wasn't allowed to drink 25 years ago.
Oh, that's true. Cheers. There you go.
Nope. Oh, God.
It's got a mean burn on it.
Oh, just that nice orange. That'll be fun, no? Oh.
I'm sorry, but I'm giving that one a zip. I remember.
That one's the worst.
Yeah, that's a 0. That was crap. So my buddy's sister, because we weren't allowed to, we weren't old enough to go to a liquor store, went
How
there.
old were you?
Between 18 and 19. And we gave her like $20 and said, yeah, get us this or this. I can't remember what it was that we wanted, but it definitely wasn't what we got. We got like off-brand Cointreau. You can't just drink that stuff. That's like put booze in like orange soda, which actually I had a party once and we were doing that and it was so gross. But yeah, I put booze in orange soda and then like a bunch of sugar extra sugar, like confectioner's sugar, and stir it up so it's slightly sludgy. It's like drinking pure sugar with alcohol.
Can they give you like a stomach ache before you have a chance to drink enough of it?
It'll just give you, it won't give you a buzz, it'll just give you a hangover, basically. Which is what would happen if you ate all these. You would just get basically a hangover before you got any kind of semblance of a good buzz off of it. But yeah, that Cointreau definitely is 0. That just did not work for me, and it just had this like funky burn to it that just, no. But definitely, I'd like to try some more of these. These were cool. These were very cool. They had another setup in Canada that I saw at the store, the Asian store, and it was all sorts of different ones, but they weren't name brands. They were just all sorts of different kind of things. Yeah,
Like
those are good.
Rum, whiskey,
Things like that. I think they had like
vodka.
plum wine. Oh, not vodka. Like plum. I think they had a lot of different Asian aperitifs. I think, it'd be good in something like that. Goldschlager would be good in that. If you're going to go with like liqueurs, Goldschlager would be good. Frangelico would be good. I love Frangelico. I like sipping that.
Never had Goldschlager.
It's all right. Well, how do you feel? Are you drunken?
Probably.
All right, well.
We need to go wash my mouth out.
Well, I enjoyed it.
Good. I didn't really like that very much, but
Sorry. Well.
it's all right.
Another.
A little warmer now.
See? All right. Well, if you find such things, eat them. We're going to retire and eat the rest of these and vomit profusely.
Yeah, right.
All right. Eat your liqueur-filled chocolate responsibly.
Please do.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.